friends, I thought I would review the Logitech Brio webcam for you. I've got a Zoom recording going, and this is with my Macintosh's, my desktop regular FaceTime camera. Now, give me a second and I will set up the Brio webcam for you. So on Zoom, down by the little video camera icon, there's the little up arrow caret thing. If you click on that, once the webcam is plugged in, all you do is click on that and look how good it is. Look how different it is. I think it's pretty amazing. This is with no change in lights, no change in anything.